In today's video we show you the 3 best tricks for your Samsung TV model series 2025. What you can do with it, what these do, you will find out in today's video. Let's go. First of all, in order for the whole thing to work, you need the remote control where all the buttons are on. The supplied remote control where not all the buttons are on, this does not work. So get the remote control where all the buttons are on. Hold the info button for 5 seconds and the following menu appears. Here you can see all the information about the transmitter, which frequency, symbol rate, what the quality is, reception quality and much more. In running operation, press mute 119, enter on the remote control and you can activate the hotel mode. What you can do here, we showed you in the previous videos. In order to get out of the hotel menu again, you have to turn off the TV and turn it on again. Switch off your TV and press info, menu, mute, standby on the remote control one after the other. And that brings you to the service menu. Have a little patience, the TV needs to start a little. If everything is entered successfully, the service menu appears on the left side. It is very important that you do not change any value here. It only serves to show that there is also a service menu. But as I said, do not change a value here. It may be that the TV then no longer starts properly. If you have more key combinations for us, let us know, write it in the comments. We say thank you for watching and goodbye.